Good morning, everybody. Got a little project we're gonna work on today. Of course, I got Major out here. Don't do exercise. Say hello, Major. Here, you wanna chase your ball, buddy? Ah, yeah. Good day. Oh, Major. He runs this place over here. He keeps up with everything that's going on. Lets me know when somebody's out here messing around. But yeah, I got a little project today I'm gonna work on. I got a little popping in my Z28. That'd be right there. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Something in the brakes. You mash the brakes and it pops up underneath and sounds like somebody hitting under the car with a hammer. But I know that's not what it is. So it's probably a caliper stick-in or something along that line. Anyway, me and Major, we're going to investigate that. Hey, good morning, everybody. As you can see, it's a new day. We worked on the Z28 last night till late, and then had my wife, her mama had to go to the emergency room. She had a fall, but she's doing okay. And so we was up there all night. So I didn't get to test drive the car to see if we got the popping fixed on the brakes, but we're gonna do that this morning. Me and my sidekick. Hey, Major, you ready to go, buddy? See if we fix that thing. Hey there, buddy. Good morning. Come on, get your ball. That's right, get your ball. Come on, bring it on. All right, we'll go open up the shop. See what we got going on in here. Check her out, Major. Anybody in there? Come on, hop in. Sit on your side, buddy. Roll. Just sit on your side. It'll be all right. All right, here we go. So far, I've hit the brakes twice and haven't heard any noise, so that is a very good sign. Normally, I've already heard it by now, and I haven't done that, so. All right, pulling out here on the road. I didn't hear any popping noise in the brakes, which is a very good sign. The problem is the caliper actually was very loose, and the cylinder that comes out was sticking, which because it had a little rust on it where the car had been sitting. So I took the caliper off, pulled the brake pads off of it, extended the cylinder all the way out. Did a little cleaning on it, got the rust off, added a little bit of heavyweight grease on there. Put the caliper it back like it's supposed to be, reinserted the pads, put it on, made sure it was extremely tight, like it's supposed to be for a set of brakes on the car. But this car, I've had it probably about 8 years, and I drove it a little while, and then I let the thing sit. Just quit driving it. So it's been sitting about 5 years probably. And over the time, normal stuff starts going wrong, brakes quit working, power steering pump starts giving problems, half things start leaking. But we've got all of that straightened out, and this little brake issue was the last little piece of the puzzle, I'm sure. So I think we got it straightened out. And I appreciate y'all watching. This car has a 383 stroker in it. It's original block, aluminum heads, and aluminum intake. Very strong running car, and I think I'm really going to enjoy it. I appreciate y'all watching, and we will see y'all the next time.